What's up, everybody? Still having fun down by the water. We're on the water now. Kind of like we wish Daytona Beach would be. Riding on the street. Look at those big stuck tires right there. Talk about putting speed bumps in the road. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Having too much fun. Envious of all these guys right here. You got the new buggy. Look at that. Look, we got the new leader right here. Brandon the leader. You want to lead right there. Look at this. How cool is that, right? Just went around. You don't get stuck right there. Staying right there. Oh, look at the little 50 right there. You got the little 50. Look at these waves. I'll tell you right now, this is just plain awesome. Look at this. You don't want to drive in this. Holy macaroni. You are not gonna get, you're gonna get stuck. Crazy. Oh, toy hauler with the roof. With the lanai up there. Look at that big ladder to get up there. Ooh. Just like Daytona Beach right here, I tell ya. Dead body. Ooh. What is that? Ooh, bunch of flies on that thing too. That's it. What a beautiful day. Look at the sand rail. Oh man, that's a nice sand rail. So we end up in the dunes, and now we're over here on the beach doing Polarity. You must be proud of the sportsmen right there. This is Troy City right here. Troy City. I think Brandon racing that guy over there. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Oh, look at the remote control car. Oh, I think we've been overtaken by the Chinese bike right there. That's funny. Look there. Boy. Oh, look at the little Pomeranian Chihuahua or something. Chihuahua, I think now. Oh, looks like a Trail 900 right here. I see the color. Trail 900. Yep. I know my rides right there. Look at this boy. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. It's not even the weekend. This place is crazy cool. Crazy cool. Man, look at that 4x4 having a hard time. That is crazy. Look at this truck. That's 4x4 with big wheels and tires, and you're having a hard time getting through the sand. You have lost your mind coming out here with your vehicle. Look at the kids fishing over here. They might catch themselves a great white shark. Whoa, there's a hill. Gotta lean to the left. Gotta lean to the left. I don't know if they're gonna make it. I don't know if the kids gonna make it out there. That's a crazy hill right there. Crazy, crazy. I can't look behind me. Is anybody alive still yet? Too much fun out here. Oh, look at this big one toy hauler. Goes Brandon. Always want to be in the lead over there. Always want to be in the lead. Oh, it looks like we hit the end. It says stop. Don't go any farther. Well, I guess it's time to go up in the hills then. See you guys on the next video.